Hi, I'm Kristen Amdahl and welcome to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for making one of my patterns. Let's get started. This is the Blake Easy Crochet Motif Sampler Afghan. This is an easy Afghan project that is also portable. Make each square individually and then join them all together at the end. The 6 motif squares work up very quickly. Have fun mixing and matching the colors of your choice. You will need number 5 bulky weight yarn. I used Be So Easy yarn in colors cream, lavender, teal, raisin, goldenrod, cornflower, and putty. And you will also need a size L11 or 8mm crochet hook. This is a 7-part video series. There will be 1 video each for the 6 different motif designs, and then the 7th video will be how we assemble them together. You can find all 7 videos together in a playlist that is linked in the video description, along with links for the pattern and Be So Easy yarn. Motif D begins with tying your yarn to your crochet hook, and we're going to make a chain 4 ring by working a chain 4. Then slip stitch to the 4th chain from your hook to form the ring. We don't count the loop on our hook. That's our working loop. We'll count back 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, and now we have a chain 4 ring. Round 1 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then work 2 double crochets in the ring. Yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Do that one more time. Chain 3, then work 3 double crochets in the ring. Then we'll do that 2 more times. Okay, the chain 3 here, here, and here are our corners, and to complete this round we're going to work the 4th corner a little bit differently. It'll still count as the equivalent of a chain 3, but we're going to work it as a chain 1 and work a half double crochet into the 3rd chain of that beginning chain 3. So it's yarn over your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on our hook. That's half double crochet. The chain 1 and half double combined give us the equivalent of a chain 3 space, but also position us into the center of the chain 3 space. Whereas if we did a chain 3 and slip stitch to join, we'd be over this chain 3 instead. So it's to position us to work the first half of the next corner for round 2. We're now ready to begin round 2 with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work 2 double crochets in this same chain 3 space. Chain 2, skip the next 3 stitches, and in this chain 3 space work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and skip the next 3 stitches. You want to repeat from here all the way around. At the end of the last repeat, we need to finish the corner that we started at the beginning of the round. So in that same chain 3 space, we're going to work 3 double crochets, and we're going to finish up our last corner the same way we did on the previous corner. It's a chain 1 and half double crochet in the top chain of the beginning chain 3. And that chain 1 half double crochet counts as the equivalent of our last chain 3 space and positions us to be in the center of it to start the next round. This is what your work should look like at the end of round 2. Round 3 begins with a chain 3, 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 space, chain 2, skip the next 3 stitches, work 3 double crochets in the next chain 2 space, chain 2, skip the next 3 stitches, in the next chain 3 space work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, And you want to repeat from this chain 2 through this corner. You want to repeat that all the way around. At the end of the last repeat, we're going to replace the 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet with 3 double crochets in the first chain 3 space from the beginning of the round, chain 1, and half double crochet in the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 3. Round 4 begins with chain 3, counts as a double crochet, and 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 space, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. I'll repeat that chain 2, 3 double crochet one more time. Then chain 2, skip the next 3 stitches. In the next chain 3 space, work 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. And you want to repeat from this chain 2 through the corner all the way around. The last repeat, we modify to work 3 double crochets in that last chain 3 space, which was also the first chain 3 space at the beginning of the round, and we'll finish the round with a chain 1 and half double crochet in the top chain of the beginning chain 3 to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 4. Round 5 begins with a chain 3, 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Then we're going to repeat chain 2, skip 3 stitches, and 3 double crochets in the next chain 2 space 3 times. Chain 2, and in the next chain 3 space corner, work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And our repeat for this round starts with this chain 2 and ends through this corner. You want to repeat that all the way around. And the last repeat ends with 3 double crochets in the first chain 3 space, chain 1, and half double crochet to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 5. Round 6 begins with a chain 3 that counts as your first double crochet and 1 double crochet in the same chain 3 space. 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. Two double crochets in the next chain 2 space. And so for this entire round, we're going to work 1 double crochet into each double crochet, 2 double crochets into each chain 2 space, and 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in each chain 3 space corner. You want to repeat this all the way around. At the end of round 6, chain 3, slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join, and that completes not only round 6, but it also completes Motif D, so we'll fasten off at the end of this round, and this is what your Motif D should look like at the end of round 6. Join me in the next video and I'll show you how to crochet Motif E. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about in this video is also linked in the video description. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.